In this video, I'll walk you through 5 vitamins that have quietly helped thousands of older adults just like you. These are nutrients that eye doctors and researchers know about, but most people never hear the full story. We'll look at what each vitamin does for your eyes, why seniors often don't get enough of it, and how to add it back into your routine, easily and safely. This is for you if you've ever said, "Why is everything looking a little fuzzier?" or if you've stopped driving at night because the headlights just feel too bright. It's also for you if you want to keep enjoying the view from your window, reading your favorite books, or recognizing the faces you love without straining your eyes. Before we dive in, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Drop your city or state in the comments below. I always love seeing how far our community is reaching. Point 1. Vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a big role in how your eyes handle darkness. It helps your body make something called rhodopsin. This is the protein in your retina that actually allows you to see in dim light. Without enough of it, your eyes can't adjust properly, and everything feels dull, slow, or blurry at night. It's also one of the first vitamins that eye doctors look at when someone starts showing signs of night blindness or poor low-light vision. Now, here's what most people get wrong. They think eating a few carrots now and then will take care of it. Carrots are great, but there's a catch. The form of vitamin A they contain, called beta-carotene, has to be converted by your body into the active form. And as we age, that conversion process becomes less efficient. So even if you eat the right foods, your body might not be using them the right way anymore. That's why eye specialists often recommend getting vitamin A from animal-based sources, like eggs, dairy, or liver, because those already contain the active form your body can use right away. And for folks who don't eat much animal protein, a well-balanced supplement can help, but it needs to be taken in the right dose. Too much vitamin A can build up in the body and cause issues, so it's something to approach carefully, ideally with a doctor's guidance. There's a great example of this. A man named George, 75, had pretty much given up on driving after sunset. He said his eyes just couldn't keep up anymore. But after a simple blood test, his doctor found his vitamin A was low. They made a small plan together, adding a few servings of eggs, some dairy, and a gentle supplement. In less than 2 weeks, his eyes started adjusting better to the dark. A month later, he was back behind the wheel at night, confidently. Point 2. Vitamin C. Let's talk about something that catches many older adults by surprise, when your vision starts feeling cloudy, like you're looking through a fogged-up window. You might notice this when trying to read fine print, when bright sunlight suddenly feels uncomfortable, or when lights at night have a hazy ring around them. These are often early signs of cataracts, one of the most common reasons older people lose their sharp vision. But here's what most folks don't realize. There's a powerful way to slow down that cloudiness, and it starts with something as simple as vitamin C. Vitamin C isn't just good for your immune system. It's also one of the strongest antioxidants your eyes depend on, especially the lens of your eye, which is what focuses light and keeps your vision clear. Over the years, your eyes are exposed to all sorts of stress, sunlight, pollution, even the natural wear and tear that comes with aging. All of this creates unstable molecules in your eyes called free radicals. These little troublemakers damage the proteins in your lens, and over time, that damage leads to cloudiness, which is how cataracts begin. When we're younger, the fluid in our eyes is packed with vitamin C, which helps block those free radicals. But as we age, those vitamin C levels start to drop. And if your diet doesn't include enough fresh fruits and vegetables, the problem only gets worse. That's why people who consistently get more vitamin C, especially from natural sources, tend to have clearer lenses for longer. In fact, one long-term study showed that older adults who regularly took vitamin C for over 10 years had a 60% lower risk of needing cataract surgery. What's the best way to get it? Not from orange juice in a bottle, that's often processed and loses much of its potency. The real benefits come from fresh fruits like oranges, strawberries, kiwis, and vegetables like bell peppers and broccoli. These foods give your eyes the support they need, especially when eaten daily. If your diet doesn't include these often, a simple vitamin C supplement can help fill the gap. But remember, consistency matters more than taking big doses once in a while. Let me tell you about Linda, age 69. Her doctor mentioned early-stage cataracts during a regular checkup. Instead of just waiting, she started making a fresh citrus smoothie every morning, added a handful of kale, and tossed in a scoop of collagen powder for good measure. 1 year later, her eye exam showed no further changes. Her doctor was honestly surprised, but she wasn't. She said, "I just gave my eyes what they needed." Point 3. Vitamin E. Sometimes, the changes in our eyesight aren't sudden. One day you just realize things aren't as sharp as they used to be. Maybe faces on TV look a little softer, or you find yourself leaning in to read. It's not always dramatic, but it's there. And for many older adults, this kind of central blurriness is one of the early signs of macular degeneration, a condition that slowly damages the retina, especially the part responsible for seeing fine details. But here's some hopeful news: vitamin E is one of the best silent protectors your eyes have, and most people don't even know it. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant. In simple words, it helps protect your eye cells from damage caused by everyday stress, things like too much sunlight, poor diet, chronic health issues, and even just the passage of time. Over the years, our eyes face more and more of these stressors, and without protection, the cells in our retina start to break down. That's when colors look dull, reading becomes harder, and even recognizing loved ones from a distance feels like a challenge. What makes vitamin E special is how it strengthens and protects the delicate parts of the eye. It stabilizes the outer layers of the retinal cells and reduces inflammation, which is key in slowing down damage. And when it's paired with other nutrients, like vitamin C, zinc, and beta-carotene, the results can be impressive. In a major study by the National Eye Institute, this mix reduced the risk of advanced macular degeneration by 25% in older adults at high risk. That's a big number. So, where do you get it? Well, here's the catch: most American diets are pretty low in vitamin E. It's not found in large amounts in the typical meals we eat unless we make a point to include it. Some of the best sources include sunflower seeds, almonds, spinach, avocados, and wheat germ oil. A small handful of almonds or a bit of fresh spinach added to your meal can make a real difference. And if those aren't part of your routine, a gentle supplement can help. Just make sure it's the natural form of vitamin E, not the synthetic one, which is less effective. Carl, who's 80, was told he was developing early macular degeneration. He didn't panic, but he didn't ignore it either. He started his mornings with whole grain toast topped with almond butter, added spinach to his lunch, and took a small plant-based vitamin E capsule. A year later, his doctor was impressed. His condition hadn't progressed, and Carl even said his vision felt a bit sharper when reading the paper under natural light. Point 4. Vitamin A1. Let's talk about something many older adults experience but don't always connect to nutrition: dry eyes and trouble seeing at night. Maybe you found yourself blinking more often because your eyes feel gritty or itchy. Or maybe you've stopped driving after sunset because headlights feel too harsh and street signs are hard to read. If that sounds familiar, your body might be low on something called vitamin A1, a form of vitamin A that plays a direct role in both night vision and eye moisture. Vitamin A1 is essential for a protein in the eye called rhodopsin. This protein helps your retina, the part of the eye that senses light, adjust to darkness. Without enough of it, your eyes struggle to shift from light to dark environments, making nighttime vision difficult. That's why one of the first signs of a vitamin A1 deficiency is night blindness. But the job doesn't stop there. This vitamin also supports the cells on the surface of your eyes, helping them produce mucus and maintain moisture. Without enough of it, your eyes can feel dry, irritated, and more sensitive to wind, light, or air conditioning. Now here's where it gets tricky. Just like with regular vitamin A, the body needs to convert plant-based sources, like carrots or sweet potatoes, into the active form. But that conversion slows down as we age. So even if you're eating the right foods, you may not be getting enough usable vitamin A1. That's why many older adults benefit from a mix of both forms, animal-based sources like eggs and dairy, and colorful vegetables like carrots or squash. In cases where diet alone isn't enough, a well-balanced supplement that includes retinal palmitate, the active form, can help, but it should be used wisely and under guidance. Let me tell you about James, age 74. He had stopped driving at night because everything looked fuzzy and bright, and he said it felt like his eyes were always dry, especially in the afternoons. After talking to his doctor, he started eating eggs a few times a week, adding orange vegetables to his dinner, and taking a modest supplement with vitamin A1. Within 2 months, his eyes felt more comfortable, and he was able to drive short distances at night again, without squinting. Point 5. L-ascorbic acid. You might recognize it by its more common name, vitamin C. But this specific form, L-ascorbic acid, plays a special role in eye health. It's not just about boosting your immune system or fighting off a cold. This form of vitamin C helps keep your vision sharp by protecting your eyes from stress, strengthening the lens, and supporting the tiny blood vessels that keep everything nourished. As we age, the lens of our eye, the clear part that focuses light, can start to become cloudy. This is how cataracts begin. And while cataracts don't show up overnight, they build slowly, year by year. One day, things just seem a bit hazier. Maybe the sunlight bothers you more than it used to, or reading feels like a strain. That's often oxidative stress at work, the damage caused by things like UV rays, pollution, poor diet, and aging itself. L-ascorbic acid acts like a bodyguard for your lens. It fights off those unstable molecules, called free radicals, that cause the cloudiness and helps the lens stay clear and flexible. But the benefits don't stop there. Your eyes are full of tiny blood vessels, especially in the retina, that carry oxygen and nutrients. If those vessels weaken, break, or get blocked, your vision can be affected in serious ways, especially if you have conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes. L-ascorbic acid strengthens these vessel walls, making them more flexible and less likely to rupture. That means better blood flow and better support for the parts of your eye that do the hard work every day. The tricky part is that your body doesn't store this vitamin for long, it needs a fresh supply every day. Many people think a glass of orange juice in the morning is enough, but processed juices often lose much of their vitamin power. A better choice is to eat raw fruits and vegetables like strawberries, kiwi, bell peppers, and broccoli. These give your body real, bioavailable L-ascorbic acid. And for those who don't get enough of these foods, a simple daily supplement can help fill in the gaps. Just make sure it's a quality one, not overloaded with fillers. Margaret, age 77, is a great example. She started seeing halos around lights at night and found reading had become difficult. Her doctor told her cataracts were starting to form. Instead of waiting for surgery, she changed her habits, added more raw fruits and veggies, cut down on processed snacks, and took a daily supplement with L-ascorbic acid. 6 months later, her cataracts hadn't gotten worse, and she could read her crossword puzzles again without needing a magnifier. Point 6. Zinc. Zinc is especially important for the retina, the area at the back of your eye that sends visual signals to the brain. The retina has one of the highest concentrations of zinc in the entire body, and that's because this mineral helps maintain the structure and function of the light-sensing cells. As we age, if we don't get enough zinc, those cells can start to weaken. That's when problems like blurry vision, poor night vision, or even age-related macular degeneration, AMD, can start creeping in. You might be surprised to know that zinc deficiency is more common in older adults. Why? Because our bodies don't store zinc for long, and our ability to absorb it from food decreases with age. If you take medications for blood pressure, acid reflux, or certain antibiotics, those can also lower zinc levels over time. And unfortunately, most standard diets don't include enough zinc-rich foods to make up for that loss. So, where can you get it? Foods like oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, and cashews are good sources. But let's be honest, a lot of people don't eat oysters, and many older adults are cutting back on red meat. That's where a small, balanced supplement comes in. The ARDS-2 study, one of the most respected eye health studies, found that combining zinc with antioxidants like vitamin C and E helped reduce the risk of vision loss in people with moderate to advanced AMD. It didn't reverse the damage, but it slowed it down, and for many, that means years of better vision and independence. Let me share a quick example. Eleanor, age 76, was told she was at risk for AMD. She already ate well but didn't realize she was low on zinc. Her doctor recommended adding pumpkin seeds to her salads and a 20 to 25 milligrams zinc supplement. Over the next year, her checkups showed her condition had stabilized, and she said her night vision even improved a bit, something she didn't expect. Zinc doesn't work alone, but it's one of the essential behind-the-scenes helpers that makes everything else work better. If you've been doing everything right and still feel like your eyes need more support, checking your zinc levels might be a smart next step. When we're younger, we hardly think about our eyes. They work without effort, reading, driving, watching TV, enjoying nature. But as the years go by, we start to notice the little changes. A little more blur. A bit more squinting. Lights that once seemed soft now feel too bright. And sometimes, these changes make us feel like we're slowly losing something important. Thank you for spending this time with me today. I hope you learned something new that you can actually use in your life. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me, what's one thing you're going to try after watching this video? Your words matter to us, and your story might just help someone else take that first step too. And if you found this helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing, and sharing it with a friend. Your support helps us keep creating videos that truly serve our community. Take care of your eyes, and yourself. We'll see you in the next one.